What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, man. For my new people, welcome. Thank you to all my subscribers, man. I love y'all. That's what's up, man. Appreciate y'all. Y'all making this real fun for me, man. I like all these comments I'm getting too. All the comments. I take all the comments. But today, I'm gonna talk about, is Doordash even worth it, man? Can you take care of your family? Can you take care of yourself? Can you take care of anything with Doordash? Is it even possible? Or should it just be a side hustle? Can I do Doordash full time? That's the whole reason for this video. And we're gonna go straight to the numbers.
All right.
This is not me bragging, because this week, I would say it's a mediocre week. It's not my best week. It's not my worst week.
My best week is not my worst week. It's not my best week. It's not my worst week. It's not my best week. It's not my worst week.
This week was a lot of hours, actually. And I've seen way better weeks in my life on Facebook posts and stuff like that. But this is just me showing you what I have. And do I think it's worth it, man? This is my opinion from my market, for me, and all my struggles with Doordash. Do I think it's worth it, man? The pros and the cons, all of that. But first, we're gonna go over these numbers. So, I made $1,340 last week and 42 cents. But fuck the cents. That shit don't matter. Took me 62 hours of dash time and 30 hours of active time. So 30 hours of active time, that means for 30 hours, I was doing deliveries. And the other 32 hours, I wasn't doing deliveries. So basically, I was actively dashing during 30 hours last week. But the other 30 hours, I was logged on. All right, so that matters. All right, so gas matters too. So $105 of gas, minus that by the total, that put me at $12.35. So $12.35 divided by 62, that's $19.91 per hour. Yes, that is a nice week. It's not the best. It's not the worst, for sure. For sure, y'all. It's not the best, not the worst. But do I think it's worth it? Let's keep going with the numbers. We got 89 deliveries. So that's $15 per delivery for a week, for an average for 60 hours. That's pretty good. All in all, I would say Doordash is worth it. You know, I want to compare Doordash to my last job. So my last job, I was making $22 an hour working at a plant. I worked there for about a year. It was a glass plant. And it was a glass plant, and these motherfuckers started me off at $22. And it was just really stressful, hard, back-breaking work. All my jobs in the warehouse been back-breaking. All right. It's definitely worth it to me. My last job, hard, back-breaking work. I gotta be there at a certain time. I can't be on my phone all day. I can't step out and smoke whenever I want. I can't. There's so many I can'ts that come to do with one of those jobs that I was having. Like, there wasn't any freedom. So yes, I love the freedom of Doordash. I love that I make my own schedule. If I wanna go do something, I do not have to go to work. I don't have to call off. That's important to me. That's beautiful. Shit, man, just that alone is great. And I make more money, you know what I mean? I make more money. Like, at my last job, I was making $22 an hour. Out of 40 hours, I'm seeing like $650, $700 a week, you know? So in this week right here, I just made 2 weeks of that. And I don't even talk about Doordash taxes, because I always get a refund with my Doordash taxes. But I won't put taxes into my numbers because I get a refund. If I put taxes into my numbers, then I actually had a better week. You know what I mean? But I'll definitely make a tax video for y'all when I do my taxes this year, the first quarter. So it's definitely, I'm not behind on bills. You know, I don't have to work today, but I actually enjoy working. It's the easiest work. It's easy peasy, y'all. This shit is fucking easy. Easy. I pick up food, I drop it off. And now it's to the point where I don't even have to knock on somebody's door. They want me to leave it at their door. What? That's great, y'all. That's awesome. This is even less work. I just leave it at the door, take a picture, made some money. That's so easy. It's easy. It takes time, but all you're doing is flipping gas money, man. I put $15 in the tank every day, and when that shit run out, I'm done. You know what I mean? Like, I don't even keep putting money in the tank. That's how I dash. My $15, that's all I got. That's my budget for gas. That's all I'm making today, unless I'm working one of the 15-hour days like last Saturday. But yeah, man, I think it's worth it, man. I think it is. It's worth it to me. You know, it might not be worth it to somebody that can make $200K a year. Why would they do Doordash? But Doordash, you can make a good 70 to 100. You know, I've seen some people make more than 100, you know, going super hard. And that's what's up, man. They hustling, they grinding, man. It's a beautiful thing. And especially if you're getting a refund, it's a beautiful thing, man. Feel me? But thank y'all for watching to the end, man. If y'all got any questions for me, just leave them in the comments. And I like to answer questions. I like comments, man. I like that shit. I like comments. I'm gonna answer comments. I'm gonna make videos about comments. I'm gonna do all of that. But yeah, man, go ahead and subscribe if you ain't subscribed already. I love my subscribers. Hit that like button, man. Let YouTube know that I'm doing good, and you know, helps my videos get seen. It just helps me out, man. When you like my videos, that's what's up. I appreciate y'all. Hope it could be a little bit helpful, man, for anybody looking to start doing Doordash. If you're starting, if you think about starting, if you think about quitting that job at Qdoba, think about quitting that job, you know, it's definitely a couple people I want to be like, bro, you shouldn't, because they live around me, so you should definitely be doing Doordash compared to what they're doing, you know. And I want to just give them game. I want to pull them off of their job. I want to recruit people. But, let's get it, man. I'm about to go dash, man. It's 3 o'clock. I'm about to start late as hell. Let's get it.